All right, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be talking about STAG, better known as STAG Industrial Incorporated, and they are traded on the NYSE. All right, so their company overview states that STAG Industrial is a real estate investment trust focused on the acquisition and operation of industrial properties throughout the United States. By targeting this type of property, STAG has developed an investment strategy that helps investors find a powerful balance of income plus growth. And down below, we can see that their enterprise value is almost $8 billion, with their properties having a total square feet of almost 112 million. They are in 41 states, and they own just over 560 buildings within their portfolio. And then down below, too, I like the little chart that they displayed on their website. It kind of shows over time their leasing activity for square feet. It's just always good to see that growth within the company. But also too, there's a cool tool that they have on their website that allows you to view their different properties, and you can kind of click on a different state, and it'll show you the different buildings that they currently have within that state, and it'll give are they in are they a warehouse? Are they a distribution center? Are they, in whatever market? And so I think that's pretty unique. I think it's definitely cool to kind of see some of the properties and see what their portfolio consists of. All right, so talking about their dividend history here, we can see that they have a dividend yield of 4.48%, which is going to be an annual dividend of about $1.46. The one nice thing, however, is that they are monthly payers when it comes to their dividend, which is something that I like to see. But talking more about their price and their stock here, their 52-week low is $26.56, and their 52-week high is $48.27. Currently, they're right around $32, $33 mark, so they kind of fall a little bit more towards that 52-week low. However, ever since right around 2020, they've been a little bit more volatile within growth, but also decrease in the stock as well. Something to definitely keep an eye on. I mean, they do offer a very fair yield, and also offering the monthly dividend, I think is definitely huge in my books. And with their different properties and things like that, a lot of them are warehouses, distribution centers, things that with the e-commerce business booming, those types of places are going to do well, and there's always going to be a need for a tenant in those types of buildings, and so I see them doing good, not only right now but in the long term as well. All right, so for the final rating here, I'd have to give STAG about a 6.5. I'm a little bit down on them only due to the fact that they've had a lot of volatility within their stock price over the last few years. But again, it'll be interesting to see how that plays out in early 2023, seeing if they start rebounding or if they're still continuing to slide a little bit in their price. But again, I do like that they own over 500 properties. They're across 41 states, so they're pretty prevalent, and they also have a pretty good target for their buildings. A lot of commercial buildings that are distribution centers or warehouses that are huge needs nowadays. But other than that, you guys drop a comment down below. Let me know what stock you guys want to see in a future video. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.